Sources have told India today that the talks between the two armies would continue today at Trishul and will be held at multiple levels. According to sources, yesterday Major General level talks were held which ended on a positive note. India and China have disengaged in the face-off sides barring Pangong Lake region. The Chinese army has also pulled back its troops from Galwan Valley, PP-15 and hot springs in eastern Ladakh area by 2 to 2.5 kilometers. India's main concern is over the deployment of 10,000 Chinese troops in rare position and weaponry including heavy artillery and tanks by China not very far away from the line of actual control. Gaurav is now joining us live for the latest on this. Gaurav, sources have informed us that the talks between India and China armies will continue today at Trishul. It will be held at multiple levels as well. If you could just give a sense to our viewers as what can really be expected from these talks.
So, Chaiti, on the 6th of June, when the Leh co-commander met his Chinese counterpart, the chief of the South Xinjiang military district, the two generally agreed that there needs to be an effort to bring down tensions. Beijing's foreign office, they claim that there is a consensus on reducing tension along the line of actual control. From what sources in army headquarters are telling India today, the interpretation is that China will withdraw, and as a confidence building measure, some withdrawal has taken place, and that is where there is lack of clarity on the kind of withdrawal that has taken place. We are told some armored personal carriers and troops and some tents have moved back some distance. When it comes to the Pangong Tso Lake, there is some movement of some boats from the Finger 4 area towards Finger 8, but not yet beyond Finger 8 is what we are being told. And that is where, the devil is in the detail. Are the Chinese moving back beyond India's perception of the line of actual control at, patrol point 14, 15 and 17 Alpha or Hot Springs? And are they moving back beyond Finger 8 in Pangong Tso, north of Pangong Tso? What we've been told is that around the Galwan and Hot Springs area, there shouldn't be much of an issue. There could be some issue around Pangong Tso, where there will be many more rounds of perhaps talks between India and China at the level of military commanders to see how best can India get them to move back beyond Finger 8.
All right, leave it at that. Gaurav Sawant bringing us up to speed on what can be expected from the more rounds of talks that are taking place between India and China. Looking forward to perhaps a plausible resolution going forward. We'll continue updating you on this.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.